Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. So today we came with a good information, that is National Accounting Talent Search 2020-2021, an accounting knowledge competition organized by Indian Accounting Association. The main features of the competition is here: who can participate, subject coverage, registration fee. Coming to junior level and senior level, you can see the information. Who can participate in the junior level? Any student doing BCom, BBA, BBM, Bachelor of Vocational, or any other undergraduate course. And subject coverage in the junior level: financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting, generally of BCom first year level. And regarding the complete details of these subject, complete syllabus, you can visit on the website. And coming to senior level, any person below the age of 25 years born after June 30, 1994. And coming to subject coverage here, based on the UGC net syllabus, details on the website, it is available. And coming to junior level and senior level, the registration fee is for junior level 250 rupees, for senior level 500 rupees. And coming to awards here, you observe the left side, the positions for the junior level and senior level. Best performance, rupees 10,000 rupees cash prize plus trophy will be given. In addition to trophy, certificate also issued. For senior level, 15,000 rupees plus trophy plus certificate for best performance. Second best performance in junior level, rupees 5,000 plus trophy plus certificate. In senior level, rupees 8,000 plus trophy plus certificate will be given for the second best performer. And the third best performer, rupees 3,000 plus trophy plus certificate for junior level. And in the senior level, rupees 4,000 plus trophy plus certificate for the third best performer. And for the outstanding performance, all top 1% performers, rupees 1,500 plus certificate will be given for them at junior level. And coming to senior level, rupees 2,500 plus certificate will be issued to that candidate. Coming to brilliant performance, all top 10 certificate, top 10% performers, certificate will be given at junior level, and at senior level also certificate will be issued for them. And coming to ranks, rank from 58th to 90th percentage, certificate at junior level as well as at senior level also certificate will be issued. Rank below 50th percent, certificate of participation at junior level and certificate of participation at senior level. Center topper will be given rupees 1,000 plus trophy plus certificate at junior level. At senior level, no amount, no trophy, no certificate. These are the awards. Those who stand based on these positions at junior level and senior level. So please circulate this information among your young brothers, sisters, those who are studying their BCom undergraduate courses. If they are eligible, they can show their talent and they can win the cash prizes. In addition to cash prizes, trophy also and certificate also will be issued by the Indian Accounting Association. So those who are in need, it will be helpful for them. Then the important dates and documents required while applying here: for online registration only, there is no offline registration. Last date for registration is January 12th 2021. So here, please keep the following ready before filling the National Accounting Talent Search 2020 form. Passport size photo, number 1. Scanned copy of your signature. Scanned copy of your Aadhaar card. For the payment, at junior level 250 rupees, at senior level 500 rupees. For the payment, please ready with a debit card or credit card or internet banking, and mobile number is compulsory. for any alerts or any information, and your date of birth also compulsory. And date of examination here, examination to be held on Sunday, that is February 7th 2021 from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So this is the date of examination. Then coming to pattern of examination, 100 multiple choice questions to be attempted during 90 minutes. Each question carries 4 marks for every correct answer, and 1 mark will be deducted for every wrong answer, that is negative marking is there. The test will be conducted through online mode only. Candidates on their own should ensure availability of smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computers with good internet connectivity for participating in the examination. The detailed process of online examination shall be communicated through website. You can see the website also here. Visit for the registration and details www.accountingtalent.org. It is all India level. They are conducting by the Indian Accounting Association. So those who are interested, you can apply, and date also there. And try to circulate among your friends, among your relatives. It will help them for getting the cash, those who are in need. So by the accounting association, the young talents also identified. So for such information and latest information, please subscribe to my channel Fine Telangana. So thank you very much. Jai Hind.